can save more than 50k TNB bill in just 1 year for my Shoplots after installing solar. Is it possible? Yes, this is 3 reasons why you need to install solar for your Shoplots. Reason 1, with up to 162 solar panels with system size 98.01 kW, it can help to save more than 4,500 monthly TNB bill for your Shoplots. In a year, you'll be saving more than 50,000, and just imagine how big the saving for your business, as this solar panel can last for 30 years. Reason 2, on top of TNB saving, under this 𝗦𝗵𝗏 policy, you can also entitled to enjoy the 38% of the government tax deduction for your business. You'll be able to invest more on your day-to-day operational expenses and focus more on your business growth. Reason 3, through implementing the green energy using solar, 𝗦𝗵𝗏 can help your business to reach the environment, social and governance 𝗦𝗃 goal. This step will give a positive impact to your business with the easy panel approval or further bringing your businesses to the public listed level. Want to know more? Let 𝗦𝗏𝗏 assist you. With 99.99 successful application rate, we will help you with the whole process of turning on the solar power system. Save the environment and convert solar power into cash now. WhatsApp or comment PM to know more.